Welcome back to my channel, or welcome here if you are new. Either way, I am so happy to have you. My name is Malicia, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm sharing my laundry motivation routines. And you guys, we have tons of clothes to wash, and I'm really trying to get my routines back in order with all of this laundry. So grab you a basket or grab a cup of coffee and let's get this done together. So as you can see, I am sharing all of the products that I'm using today. PERSIL Laundry Detergent, one of my subscribers suggested that I use it, so I am definitely giving it a try, and I'll let you guys know how much I like it. The Lysol laundry sanitizer, you guys know that is a go-to for me, as well as the Downy beads. And I'm also using this borax laundry detergent booster, and we're going to refill these glass jars as well today. So let's get going. So my first load is going to be my towels. That is what I'm starting off with first. And just so you guys know, I am just getting over from being sick this week, so I'm still a little nasally. So I won't be talking as much in the video, but I will try to jump in and let you guys know what I'm doing in case you have me up on your TV or whatever device that you're watching this on. And that way I can tell you what I'm doing in case you're not watching. I would love to have you join, so please hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. As I'm folding these towels, Chase is actually right across the table from me. He's actually playing on his laptop, and that is who I'm talking to during this part here. And just so you guys know, I have sniffed these towels. I can smell a little bit, and let me tell you, they're super soft and it smells absolutely amazing. So I do want to give a shout out to my subscriber. I am loving PERSIL. I'm loving the smell that is also leaving in my laundry.
I don't want nobody stabbing me with love. Don't wanna waste no time getting my feelings hurt. I believe in those things we don't know much of. There's just so much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just died. Now all of
laundry room, I'm going to wipe everything down, and I'm also going to be refilling my canisters here, and I'm going to wipe down my washer and dryer and the cabinets as well. So just a reminder, how often do you guys wipe down your laundry room? Although my vent collector thing is in the back that takes out the lint, it still gets quite dusty in here, so I try to wipe it down at least once a month. I try to, if not twice.
Take me back, just go, 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 go. Yeah, I can't forget what you've done, the way you act. Won't take me back, just go, go, go. Go, go, 'cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress and no work, no trying to fix what we have. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. Go, go, go. much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go, go, go to the deep end. I just wanna go, go, go to the deepest end. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we are. Just go, go, go to the deepest end. I never got to let loose, hanging out with you. You tossed and you turned our love into a stiff statue. My brain was having enough, like my thoughts just stopped. Now all I think of is leaving this bad old spot. I'm ready to face my fears, I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn.
Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope I was able to give you some laundry motivation, and if so, please don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love talking to you down there, and consider subscribing to my channel because it really helps my channel, and I also get to know what you guys like to see on here too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here in the next few days. Bye!